Are you tired of sifting through endless Semrush reports to find your traffic insights? Learn how to run a complete competitive analysis in under 2 minutes. First, we'll organize your projects in folders. Then, we'll set up a traffic analytics report with competitors. Finally, we'll run the analysis and interpret the results.
Go to Semrush Folders to organize your projects. Click on Traffic and Market. Then, select Traffic Analytics. Review this part of the interface. Enter the domain you want to analyze. Click Add Competitors to include them. Click Analyze to start. Click Analyze again to confirm. Click Analyze one more time. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.